Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in WhatsApp without verification code in just seconds. So there are 4 methods you can try. WhatsApp requires a verification code to log in and set up an account. This code is sent to your phone number via SMS or phone call, and it's crucial part of verification process to ensure that security of your account. Skipping this step is not recommended, but if you are having trouble receiving the verification code, I have a few steps. So the number one is make sure you have entered the correct phone number. Double check the country code and phone digit numbers. The second step is network issues. Ensure that your phone has stable internet connection and can receive SMS messages or phone calls. Number 3, wait for a call. If you don't receive the SMS with the verification code, you can choose the option to receive your phone call instead. WhatsApp will call you a number and provide you with the codes. Number 4 and last, contact support. If you are still unable to receive the verification code, you can reach out to WhatsApp support for assistance. It's important to note that attempting to bypass the verification process could lead to account suspension or other security related issues. WhatsApp security measures are designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. Always use legit and secure method while using WhatsApp or any other online service. So that's all. You can log in WhatsApp without verification code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.